To the first phase, you need to ensure that your legs are comfortably spaced apart with your eyes looking at the ring as your target. Moving to the second phase, ensure that your shooting arm is bent at a 90-degree angle, as this will increase your chance of the shot to go in. Lastly, the third phase, it is critical that you follow through your shot, as well as ensuring that your dominant foot is finished in front of the other foot for stability, as shown in the video. Reiterate the key teaching points. Ensure legs are comfortably spaced apart with eyes looking at the intended target. Second phase, ensure shooting arm is bent at a 90-degree angle. And lastly, the third phase, ensure you follow through your shot with your dominant foot finished in front of the other. As we can see in this photo, this is a good example of a 90-degree angle jump shot with the eyes looking straight ahead as their target, while this is a bad example of a 90-degree angle shot as the shooting arm is not bent to a 90-degree angle, as well as the eyes are looking to the side, which overall will most likely end up missing the target.